Hello, in this video I show you how to replace the cabin filter on BMW X5 F15. The cabin filter is located just underneath this plastic cover, so first we need to remove this plastic cover. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And this plastic is the cabin filter housing. Now we need to remove that, and the cabin filters, there's two cabin filters, they're on the side underneath. Now we can remove the old filters and put on new filters and assemble everything back.